Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. As usual, before we do any kinds of the work and activity, and we have to be started by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, today, like what I have already reminded you or have already explained at the previous meeting, today we are going to continue to do or to write for the writer's evac. Okay, at the previous meeting or last week, I have already explained some requirements or the rules how to write the writer's evacs. Okay, do you still remember what actually the rules or what should we do? Okay, or the steps in making the writer's evacs, and your score will be the highest. And the highest score for the writer's evacs is about 10. The mark is 10. Well, the time is about 20 minutes. So once more, you have to arrange the time, or you have to manage your time wisely. The first 40 minutes for the direct writing, okay, and the 20 minutes for the writer's evacs, and the last one is the summary, 40 minutes. Okay, 40. So all of them are about 100 minutes for doing this reading and writing. Okay, I hope that you have to try to manage your time wisely. What should you do for the first time, the second, and the third? Okay, which one get better score, which one is getting higher score? So it must be concerned at the first time, and you have to learn about how to write it by reading all of the presentation I have already presented, as well as I have already shared via Cantik or via Bu Umi. And I also ask you to watch many YouTube channel. Actually, I also have already sent you the link of the YouTube channel regarding to our discussion of the paper 2 reading and writing. Okay, and also have already received an information regarding to upcoming tasks. You will not have concept of the test in June, but we prefer to choose on in November, since it is impossible we do in June, right? Therefore, the time will be longer. So you're going to have your test, inshallah, in November. So you still have a long time preparation for your upcoming November test, or we call it November series of the test of IGCSE. Okay, therefore, at this moment, I would like to ask you or remind you about our previous writing writer's evacs. If there are some questions related to the requirements or how to write it, how to make it, and what should we do, what is the steps, you may ask to me at this moment. You may ask me, okay, at this moment. Then we're going to discuss once more about it. And I would like to divide this time into two parts. The first part is for reminding, or we can make sense of the little discussions about our previous discussion regarding to or relates to the writer's evac. Then we will continue to write and how to write it directly. Okay, so this is the time for that. And if you have already finished making it, or you have already completed all of them, you may send to my email or WhatsApp, and you are going to present one by one for the writer's evac. Okay, once more, you are going to present it. There are 22 people, that means that you are going to present it. I hope that everybody will prepare for them. Okay, although you haven't done it yet, you may have canceled the time 2 minutes, or you are going to have a time today at least 40 minutes to prepare everything. Okay, so hope that today everybody has already completed all of the writer's evacs. Yeah, before we continue to do the work, any question about it, guys? Hello?
No.
Have you already made it?
No.
No, okay. No problem. Because at the previous meeting, I didn't ask you to send to my email, right? I asked you to that we are going to prepare it at this moment. Therefore, today, in this 40 minutes, you are going to prepare Okay, at the real time for your task, you are going to do it for only for 20 minutes. Okay, only for 20 minutes means that you are going to do it in 10 minutes for reading. You have to read once more about your previous the previous task or passage. Okay, and you are going to read for about a few minutes only, because you are going to prepare for the question 2A and the other 10 minutes for the question 2B. Okay, once more, you only have about 20 minutes to prepare for all of them at the real test. Okay, therefore, because it is kinds of the practice, I will ask you to make it into 40 minutes, or yeah, I think it is enough, 40 minutes. Then in this 40 minutes, you have to complete all of them, sent to my Gmail. Any questions about my Gmail address? Okay,
What's your Gmail?
my Gmail address. Okay, I will send via Chantik, right? My Gmail address. Okay. Before I leave this presentation, because you're going to prepare for the writer's evacs, right? Okay. I have already read writer's evacs belongs to Adika. Overall, is very good. But once more, please pay attention that it is not only talking about the meaning, but also you have to talk about the writer's evac. Okay, at the previous example that I have already shared, okay, I also give you like, okay, I will repeat once more about the things you have to. Okay, guys, now I'm going to remind you once more a little bit about what should you do to prepare it. Okay. Now I'm going to present and remind you once more before you do your preparations of writing the writer's evac. Here is the thing you have to remember. I will go to the rules. Okay, well, have you already received the slides I have already shared to your friends? Have you already, guys?
Yeah, before I couldn't send it, but the last presentation that you sent me
Okay,
just
good. Yeah,
beginning, I sent it.
sorry. In writing the writer's evac, this is the frame. Okay, remember, for the writer's evac, you will get score 1. But if you only give select the meaning of the word or of the phrase, the score is only half. So once more, try how you write the writer's evac based on what you have already read from the text, of course. It is not your opinion, right? You have to read the text first. What do you think? Okay, it is your side. What do you think about the writers of the phrase or word used by the writers for the text, for example? Okay, so for in writing the writer's evac, don't forget this is the frame. This is the writing frame. So like you may wish to use the following writing frame to structure each paragraph. So like the writer creates the impression. Okay, the writer creates the impressions of blah 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 in paragraph. The word blah 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 help to create these evacs. It literally means, however, it is also suggest. Then word has connotations of blah blah blah. The writer used this word to create an image. So this is the writer's evacs. The writer uses this word to create an image of. The writer creates the impression of. This is the writer's evacs. Or you can also write the writer also brings sense of. The writers also bring sense of. The writer implies, okay, from the connotation, it means that the writers have the writers give the readers evacs for blah 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 blah. Okay, and this explicitly means that the evac this gives blah 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 blah. Okay, the appearance of the former link, or you may use link. Okay, so please pay attention for the writing frame in writing the writer's evacs. Okay, at the previous meeting I also gave you my example that I have my writing example about the writer's evac. Okay, I will give you one example once more. okay, about the writer's evac. Yeah, at this part, there are two questions once more, to A and to B, right? In the description of the beast, the writer shows that the beast is strong. So you describe in detail about the description, right? Because the question is, please write the description of the beast. Once more, it depends on the question. Okay, it's like this. This explicitly means that the animal has black. Okay, this implies from the connotation of pistons. So those are the frame. The implications of both the phrases create an evac. This is the writer's evac, right? An evac of interest in the reader. Okay. But the writer adds to the sense of danger, also the writer's evac. The evac this give on the readers. The writer shows the firm visit with praise like, yeah. This literally show. This create the fact that, okay, once more, pay attention, number 2B. It is talking about the appearance of the former links to the firm. Links. Okay, this explicitly tell you that, however, connotations such as all relate to both phrases, this create an evac that the man blah 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 blah. Okay. Yeah, before I continue to ask you to make the writer's evacs, any questions so far? Yeah, this is the question you have to do now. Reread the descriptions of the rats and fleas in paragraph 3 beginning